The following episode of Cooking with Miss Smith and Nathan French, we have a special guest by no one other than Lizzie's mom, Kimberly Smith.
Hi!
You'll see her as we answer some questions while we're cooking some delicious foods for today. Greetings, Pokemon trainers and fans. Nathan Arch French here, and we have exciting news for this episode of Cooking with Miss Smith and Nathan French. First off, we'll teach you how to cook some Pokemon-themed cookies. Next, better get your knowledge skills on, because we have a trivia just for you. You'll see what kind of Pokemon me or Lizzie are thinking about. In the end, you'll see how our cookies turned out. And don't forget to celebrate Pokemon Day, which is upcoming Saturday. Don't miss it. Oh, looks like that's my cue to say, let's get on with the show.
Welcome to Cooking with Miss Smith and...
Nathan French.
What are we cooking today?
Today we are cooking Pokemon cookies. For those of you joining us today, if you're new about Pokemon, I grew up with Pokemon ever since when I was little, like you folks. So I got this Pokemon cooking set from Walmart, from Garden City. The directions are on the back of this box. First step is heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 325 degrees Fahrenheit on the non-stick cookie sheet.
Yep, so we have a non-stick, so we're going to do 325. So you can do lower, bake. Yep, and hit the more. So we want 325. There you go, and then you'll just leave it and set.
Now, I'm going to demonstrate step 2, which is place cookie dough on ungreased cookie sheet.
So we're using parchment paper so it doesn't stick to our pan.
Now, take a look at these cookies. You can select any kind of cookie from Pokemon as you like to cook. Now I'm going to get them out of there and place them on this cookie sheet. Now we got the cookies out, we just need to put them on this pan over here.
We're going to leave a good space, about an inch or so they don't stick together.
Yep. That's what we're going with. Oops.
There you go, nice job. Yep, that looks good. Here, I'll move these ones over so then you can put one more. There you go. Milo.
Be extra cautious. Before you put cookies in the oven, you must first need oven mitts. Then, after that, you carefully put the cookies in. Close the oven. Now we wait for 12 minutes. I, Nathan French, have set the oven for 12 minutes. While cookies are waiting to be cooked, it is time for Pokemon trivia. Part of this cooking special for celebration of Pokemon. Alright, first question. Who was the Pokemon that was first created by humans? They got 2 answers in this one. You got A, Mewtwo, or B, Genesect.
Mom?
Oh, sorry. The correct answer was Mewtwo. Yeah. Question number 2. What Pokemon has the aura for its ability? Either Kyurem, Lucario, or Lock and Lock.
Mom?
B.
Ooh.
C.
Oh, that's so close. The correct answer was Lucario. Question number 3. In the first Pokemon movie, what new Pokemon has made its appearance? We got A. Raichu, B. Pikachu, or B. Mew.
Mom?
Pikachu.
I say the Mew.
Oh, this is correct.
Yeah!
Now to get our cookies out and place them on this little cooking area over here. Now look at these cookies. They do look fresh. Some are even in place of Pikachu. The others are just like Pokeballs. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for the Pokemon special of Cooking with Miss Smith and me, Nathan French. Delicious.
That is good, Nate. Excuse me while I'm chewing with my mouth open. But thank you for cooking with Miss Smith, and
Nathan French.
he's the best at making cookies.
Thank you for watching Pokemon special of Cooking with Miss Smith and me, Nathan French. For those that are wondering what's going to be out for Pokemon, look at the description below. You'll see a trailer link of the new Pokemon movie, Secrets of the Jungle. And don't forget to catch Pokemon Day this Saturday. And for those new Pokemon fans and trainers out there, don't forget to catch part 4 of Pokemon Journeys, March 5th, only on Netflix.